If we go back to the preparation and a little bit touch upon group sessions, we have one-to-one mocks. We have some mocks for self-assessment where it's possible just to reduce the costs. And we have also group sessions, and this is for orals. How do you find them, and why it may be useful? What is the benefit from those sessions?
I would suggest that if you have the opportunity to partake in the group sessions, you should absolutely go for it. I had the opportunity to do an interview and present advocacy in the legal theatre, as we have at the Academy. And I personally found that the most useful aspect for me was that, of course, you get the experience, and this might even be one of your first experiences before you start off on doing mocks. So you get that first experience of doing it. But apart from that, what I found most useful was getting over those nerves, because this is the first time you're doing it. You're being assessed by your tutor, and you're surrounded by students who are also trying to learn from you, seeing what you're doing right or wrong. So I personally found that getting over the nerves for that was great for me. And I was much less nervous when it came to doing mocks and even the real exam. That helped me immensely.
That's great that you touched upon the stress. Many people, we just know it from practice, they may be pretty well prepared, but then when the exam knocks the doors, it happens that they stuck, freeze because of the stress that they experience. And
we've heard the same thing from quite a few people, actually, that having group sessions, having legal theatre where you're in really a very stressful situation, actually, and very deliberately so, exposing you to that, it kind of it makes you stronger, throw you in at the deep end a little bit, and inures you to that fear, so that, as you say, when you come to the exam, it's not something that is suddenly going to hit you. All of these nerves are just going to come out of nowhere. It's something that you at least have a degree of familiarity with.
And that's what's the hard thing about these exams, is that if you can conquer your nerves, you can go at it with full force and have that presence of mind. And having that presence of mind is the most important thing in these exams, to be able to think on your feet and think fast.